another Vlogmas. If you don't know, my name is Monet. You can follow me on Instagram at ms4monet, as well as TikTok at Slay by Monet. And make sure y'all go copy some bundles, some lashes, some closures, some frontals, some wigs, all of the above from slaybymonet.com. But anyway, y'all, so peep this, right? I know it's been a couple days since I posted my Vlogmas, but it's because your girl was super duper busy over the weekend, but I've been getting so much content for y'all. And because I have been missing my days of Vlogmas, I'm about to double up videos on y'all. So y'all gonna get a video in the morning so y'all can watch it on y'all way to work, and y'all gonna get another video to watch before y'all get ready to go to bed. Okay, so I'm super duper excited about that. But anyway, y'all, so here I am cruising, and I was like, you know what, I'm always for putting my audience on. Like, I love to give the people what they want, the things that y'all need, you know what I mean? So with that being said, your girl should have been a DJ in her other life, okay? Like, I really should have been a DJ, because one thing about it, when it comes to music, baby, I'm always gonna have like the hottest tracks. And I'm a millennial, so I grew up like on old school. So don't think you gonna come in here listening to, you might hear Lil Baby, you definitely might hear Cardi. Who else is like new? I don't even know who else is new. I don't know, but you always gonna get some old school music up in here. So with that being said, I was just jamming to my Christmas playlist, and I wanted to share that with y'all. So your girl doesn't know how to like play the songs without getting copyrighted, because every time I see somebody playing music on YouTube, I be like, how did they get away with that and the video wasn't copyrighted? So I don't know how to do that. So comment below if you know how I can like post regular music without getting copyrighted, or do they just get copyrighted and they're like, whatever it is what it is. I don't know. But anyway, y'all, so I wanted to just put y'all on to my Christmas playlist. I have shared it and made it public on Apple Music. So if you have like a holiday party coming up, or if you're hosting Christmas at your house, whatever it is that you're doing Christmas related, or even if you just want a Christmas playlist to jam out to while you in a car, on the road, getting ready to go to your parents' house, your family crib, whatever it is that you want to do with this Christmas playlist, I have made it accessible for you. So y'all, I'm about to just basically show you all a screen recording of my Christmas playlist, because again, I don't want to get copyrighted. I hope y'all enjoy it. I hope y'all are still enjoying my Vlogmas, and let me know if you like it or love it. Till next time, Moolah Gang.